Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just another flagship. It's a declaration of dominance, a device that promises to change everything we know about smartphones, combining raw power, pro video tools, and futuristic AI in one jaw-dropping package. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will change everything. And when we say everything, we mean the way we think about smartphones, the way we capture memories, the way we create content, and the way artificial intelligence becomes a natural part of our daily lives. Because Samsung's upcoming flagship is not just another yearly upgrade. It's a bold leap into the future, a device that feels like it has been built not just for 2026, but for the next era of mobile technology. And it all begins with the heart of this beast, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. The most powerful smartphone chipset ever created, delivering clock speeds of up to 4.6 gigahertz with a 20% leap in multi-core performance, which is enough to even surpass Apple's mighty A19 Pro chip in benchmarks, making this device the fastest, most capable smartphone on the planet. And with its 23% GPU boost, you get gaming and rendering that's smoother, sharper, and more immersive than ever before, while its 37% faster NPU unlocks next level. Artificial intelligence, handling everything from real-time translations to predictive tasks with almost human-like precision, all while delivering 16% better power efficiency. So you can actually enjoy this massive performance without sacrificing battery life. And if you think that impressive, wait until you hear about the video capabilities, because Samsung is not holding back. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is essentially a professional video camera disguised as a phone, introducing support for the APV codec for lossless raw video recording, which means you can capture cinematic quality content where every detail, every shadow, and every highlight is preserved exactly as your eyes see it. And with APV HDR video and APV log formats, content creators and professionals get the same flexibility in editing that they would expect from high-end cinema cameras. While the new 20-bit ISP brings 4 times the dynamic range of the previous generation, making videos richer, colors more vivid, and contrast deeper. So whether you're filming at golden hour in dim low light or trying to capture high-speed action, your footage will look breathtaking. And here's where Samsung is truly innovating. This isn't just about power. It's about intelligence, because the Galaxy S26 Ultra introduces on-device Agentic AI, Samsung's most advanced integration of artificial intelligence yet, capable of performing complex tasks on the device itself without relying on constant internet connections, which means more speed, more reliability, and crucially, more privacy. And imagine what this means in real life. From booking your dinner reservations with a simple command, to real-time language translation during travel, to automatically editing your photos and videos with precision that rivals professional software, the S26 Ultra is positioning itself not just as a phone, but as a personal assistant, a creative studio, and a productivity powerhouse in your pocket. And because this Agentic AI is running directly on the device with a 37% faster NPU, everything feels instantaneous. From voice commands to predictive typing, to intelligent photography enhancements that ensure your shots look better before you even press the shutter. And speaking of photos, Samsung isn't neglecting its camera hardware either, because this device is expected to include its most advanced system yet, pairing its pro video tools with a monster high-resolution camera array designed to satisfy both enthusiasts and professionals, giving you not only beautiful stills, but also the flexibility to capture content at any time of day under any conditions. And when you combine this with Samsung's already best-in-class display technology, you get a smartphone that feels like it belongs more in a director's kit than in your pocket. But let's step back, because the S26 Ultra isn't just a tool for creators. It's a device for everyone, and Samsung knows that to win the premium market, it has to compete directly with Apple, which is why the Galaxy S26 Ultra doesn't just stop at being powerful. It also focuses on the things users care about most, whether it's multi-core speed, gaming quality, battery life, or privacy. Samsung is directly addressing them, and in many areas it is now leading. And think about this. The S26 Ultra offers better multi-core performance than Apple, professional-level video tools that no iPhone currently matches, advanced AI that works offline for privacy and convenience, and all of it packed into a sleek design that still carries Samsung's signature style, which means for the first time in years, Apple may have to play catch-up, because Samsung is not just innovating, it's listening to its users. And this is what makes the S26 Ultra so exciting. It's not just technology for technology's sake. It's technology designed to make life easier, smarter, and more creative. And the highlights speak for themselves. Industry-leading Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 performance with unmatched speed and efficiency, advanced professional-grade video tools with RAW, HDR, and log formats for creators, a 20-bit ISP ensuring 4 times the dynamic range, Agentic AI providing smart on-device intelligence without the cloud, improved power efficiency for longer usage, and hardware tuned for both work and play, which all come together to create a device that feels less like a smartphone and more like the future of mobile computing. And with competition heating up, Samsung's bold move with the Galaxy S26 Ultra proves that it is willing to lead the way into a new era, a future where smartphones are not just phones, but powerful companions that adapt to you. And whether you're a gamer, a content creator, a business professional, or just someone who wants the very best tech in your hand, the S26 Ultra promises to deliver. So the question isn't whether Samsung has changed the game, it's whether you're ready for it. Because the Galaxy S26 Ultra is not only about specs and features, it's about redefining what we expect from technology. It's about showing us what's possible when hardware, software, and AI come together seamlessly. And as we head into its launch window, the excitement is undeniable. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is not just a flagship, it's a revolution, and trust me, this is only the beginning, because Samsung has made it clear. The future of smartphones is here, and it starts with the S26 Ultra. And this is TechVerse, your source of the latest in tech, leaks, and innovation. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.